What's up, guys? We're back doing another blaster stash. However, a little bit of a twist this week. I have been getting most of my blasters from Target. Was able to get a couple from Wal-Mart, which have the Team Bestie insert card. So let's see how our luck is from Wal-Mart. I was a little tired last night, so I was kind of in and out during Raw, but I liked the Andrade Ray match. I like the whole angle. So just on that alone, I'd say decent show. But again, most of the people I like are on SmackDown these days. And, I think we got an autograph right out of the gate. So go Wal-Mart. Here's our commemorative card. We got another, so I guess there's an insert card in every pack. That makes it easy to see where you left off. It seems like the insert's at the end of the pack. I guess not too much to talk about, otherwise than just a reminder, as I am thinking out what my first giveaway is going to be, just to make sure you are following me at PW Museum 1 on Twitter. I'll, of course, go into the details here, but really looking to get a few people more than I have on Twitter. That's the thing. Pretty strong on Facebook, Instagram not too bad, but I really want to get the Twitter account going. As far as the museum goes, that's the museum account, not my personal account, which I do not use much these days. Alright, 3 packs before the hit. First hit. Okay, all right, move this stuff out of the way a bit. Let's get to our first hit. Try not to see if I can even, but I'm not. We know it's an autograph. You have an autograph card of Ember Moon, and it's a bronze. So, not a bad hit. I do have 1 of 75. So that's a number 1 card. So that is a nice hit. Let's see what we get in our second pack. That feels thicker. So do not think we're getting an auto there, unless it's an auto relic. I don't even know if this set has those. That autograph does not get buried. That one opened. Yeah, these packs are giving me some trouble. From the top. Four packs before our next hit. Did I even get to the... Okay. All right, let's do our last pack here. And we have a Beth Phoenix, 12 of 25. Oof, so you know what? We got a numbered to 25. Still not a bad hit. So I got to say, pretty good break on these Walmart packs. So as always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.